Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Alexis Renee if you're new, and I'm so happy you are here. So this is a new series I'm starting called Making Space. Basically, I wanted to incorporate more of the content I do on my podcast into my YouTube. You know, we're working out things, we're working out the kinks, we're finding our way, we're finding our niche, we're finding what we like to do. And so this is the start of making space, and basically what that means is we're making space in our home, in our physical homes, in our mental homes for new things to come in, because in order to grow you have to make space, right? So we can't make space for new opportunities and new things if we're holding on to old habits, people who are not benefiting us. We have to make space for new connections, and in today's video, we're making space in our physical home, which is my closet. Okay, this is going to be a long video, but basically I have a lot of stuff that I've held on to from high school even till now, and it's just time to get rid of it. I did a video cleaning out my closet a couple months ago, and it's time to do it again. I honestly didn't clean out that much last time, even though it seemed like a lot. I really didn't, and it's time to really decide, okay, is this something that I'm going to wear, I'm going to make use out of? Because most of it I hold on to it thinking I'm gonna wear it, and I'm just not. It's not for me right now. So I love living minimal. I love a minimal life where I have very few things. It also makes things way easier when you pack up and you move. So I just want to go in my closet and absolutely die for everything I have and wear it. And just because when you have all this stuff and everything is just, you kind of like it, but you don't really wear it. You might wear it on like special occasion for something. It just makes it way harder to find something to wear, and it gets kind of discouraging, and it makes you feel like you don't have any clothes. So I want to clean out everything that is not my style anymore, does not fit what I like to dress like now, and move on and make space for new things. And yeah, that is today's video. Guys, this sweater I thrifted. I actually got it yesterday and I did laundry, so I got to wear it today, and it's from Forever 21, and it is like the cutest, comfiest thing. Oh my gosh, like thrifting has really changed my life this year. So this is the type of piece I want in my closet that is just like, I absolutely die for it. I can wear it with anything. And yeah, that's what today's video is. It's gonna be a long one, but I hope you guys are inspired to make space in your life, make space for new things to come in. Cleaning your physical space is going to allow for your mental space to feel more clear as you're navigating your day. Walking into your closet and seeing just clothes that you love, and it's not so many options to where it's hard to make a decision. It's just gonna make you feel better. You know, as much as your room is clean, if it's cluttered and has a lot of stuff that is not of use to you, that can get in the way of your creative space and your mental space. But anyways, I'm just rambling at this point. I'm really excited for this series. I am going to do my bathroom in the next video, so look out for that. And yeah, let's make space. It's a new year. Let's jump right in. Okay, so my closet is very like enclosed, so I can't really like bring y'all in here with me, you know what I'm saying? But basically what I'm gonna do right now is pull everything out. And then once it's on the bed, I'm gonna go through it all, make a keep pile, sell pile, and a donate pile. This is gonna be a lot of work, but we're gonna do it. We're here together, okay? We're doing this together. Isn't that fun? Okay, here we go. Time lapse of me pulling all this out. literally can't make this up. Like, this is how much I'm dealing with. Who needs this much stuff? Like, no, and look at the closet. Like, it looks terrible. Like, we've gotta get it together. And that, like, the drawers haven't even been cleaned out. Okay, we just gotta do it. We just gotta do it. We just gotta do it. I like this, but like, I got this one, which I love this one, but like, I've had this one for a while, and I was like looking at, oh, it kind of matches my outfit today. I think I'm gonna sell it. And I have the wallet that matches, I just gotta find it. Okay, so right now I'm going through all of my like purses and bags, because there's like a whole bunch of random stuff in all of them, and I'm sure y'all experience the same thing. So I'm just like clearing them out. I got my trash bag right here, so when I go to grab a bag, it's not full of crap. So that's what I'm doing right now. Whew. Okay, so as I'm going through my bags, I know I have not touched my clothes yet. I'm cleaning out the bags. So what I like to do is like store bags within bags, at least the ones I'm not using. So I'm gonna put these inside of each other and then inside of my suitcase, and then whenever I need to pull out my suitcase, I'll have like other travel bags there. But since I am in such like a small confined space and I don't have a lot of storage, this is what I have to do. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm gonna clean everything off the floor in the closet and then vacuum it out, and then I think we'll be ready to finally start on the clothes. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Cleaned out, I vacuumed. You can't really tell because I've been walking in here, but I cleaned off this. I put my hats and bags right here. I don't know exactly how to store this stuff, so this is what I'm doing. And then I've lined up my shoes here, and as you can see, I've gotten rid of some, and then shoes up here and like boots, and that's a bag of wigs, which I don't know why I need. I should probably get rid of it. But and then I moved like my jackets up here, and this is like suitcase, memories, Christmas, wrapping, and random stuff that I can't get rid of yet. Closet, I feel like, is so hard to organize. Like, I don't really know what to do, because the shelving is like over the shelf. Like, the shelving is under the racks, like the clothing racks. So it's like I can't see what's on the shelves if my clothes are there. But I think moving my jackets up there, because they were like down here, is gonna help. But now I have to use like that stick to get them off every time I want to wear them, but that's fine. This is my donate pile, sell. So like, as you can see, I have some shoes, hats, stuff in here that I'm gonna try and sell. And if it doesn't sell by March, I'm just gonna donate it. And then this is trash. The time has come to go through the clothes. I know I said in the beginning of the video that we were just gonna get right into the clothes and do a time lapse, but I figured I need to like do the dirty work first, which is like go through all the knacky things. I wasn't gonna do it, and I was like, you know what, this is the time to do it. You know, if we're gonna do this, we're gonna do it 100%. And so that's what I did. Even cleaned out all the purses, which is like crazy. Let's go through these clothes. I'm getting rid of a lot. Like, there's no mercy from me. I'm gonna be selling all this stuff on Depop, so I need to make a store and do all that. But if you guys see anything that you like, it'll be up on the Depop store. If not, I'm donating it. But euphoria. Anyways, guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, it's 3 o'clock now. I think we started at like 12, but I've gone through everything. So this is keep, and that's keep, this, and then that's donate, that's sell. So I'm gonna hang this stuff up and see where we're at. Let me show y'all some of the stuff. So this was a set. I'm selling like crop shirt. I'm selling these jeans are from Anthropology. Like there's some good stuff in here if you guys want to check it out on the Depop. I don't know when I'll have it up, but I'll let y'all know when I do. Go follow me on Instagram for like any updates. But yeah, I'm gonna hang this stuff up, and then I still have to go through my drawers and like organize. So I might take a break after I hang all this stuff back up though. Okay guys, it's the grand reveal. Oh my gosh, I'm honestly like so happy. Okay, let me show y'all. Like there's so much space. And this is literally just everything I love. And it's so organized. So we have like sweaters. Sorry, I'm shaking. I had coffee, but I also always shake. Sweaters down here, jackets, like hoodies, big jackets up here, and I have one blazer, tank tops and dresses. Then we have just like t-shirts and thin shirts like this. So yeah, and then I showed y'all my accessories, everything, but like look at it from back here. It just looks so like I love having space in my closet. It just makes me feel so much better, like I'm not crowded with things I don't use or I don't wear. So I'm very, very happy with how this turned out, and I highly recommend that you guys do this too. It is a lot of work, but honestly it's like 4 o'clock now. It took me 4 hours, and that's really not bad. Like I organize all my drawers, everything. Yeah, I feel amazing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and next week we will do a bathroom organization. I'm gonna get like stuff to organize my makeup, all of that. We're gonna go through all of it together. I hope you guys enjoyed, and cheers to making space. Period. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next one. Deuces.